how Right Gummies growth hacked their online sales by 4x in just a few months. Now, Right is a homegrown local UAE brand of gummies created by two French entrepreneurs. They came to us with a unique problem. They were not getting any sales from their website, and their visibility on Google could have definitely been better. We analyzed their problem and realized that their website was the cause of most of their problems. So we rebuilt their website from the ground up. As budget was an issue, we created their website in Shopify and started running performance ads for them across all channels. We also started SEO for their websites, and in just a few months, we ranked them number 1 on Google for more than 67% of all their keywords. In 1 year, we grew the new user traffic from just 1,100 per month to 25,000, and mobile traffic from just 220 to nearly 30,000 monthly. The new user traffic increased by approximately 2,172.73%, and the mobile traffic increased by a whopping 13,000%. In just 3 months, we increased the domain authority of the website from just 5 all the way to 45, and increased the website's visibility by 24.58% across all platforms. Now, due to the new website being designed in a very Google-approved manner, the health score of the website also went up from 45 to 81 in just a couple of months. Due to our efforts, their paid advertising budget was drastically reduced while their sales increased. In 1 year, we have grown their online sales by 4x, and this is what they had to say about our services. Check it out.
So we had our website on Shopify that we designed by ourselves using different apps that is available on the Shopify App Store. And at some point, our website was not very fast and not very responsive on different screens. So we decided to partner up with Prism. And with their dedication, very happy to release a new website which is faster, which is beautiful, converts better. And that's how with Sebastian, we decided to work with them for the long term.
So if you are looking to get sales from your e-commerce website or from your traffic to your online business, you need to work with a digital marketing agency in Dubai with strong chops in the e-commerce space and growing online sales by over 4x to 10x guaranteed. So contact Prism Digital, the best digital marketing agency for the e-commerce industry, to find out